So now let's take a look at my personal home studio setup. I've always been a creator, and I've always had some type of studio in my home to work on various projects. Over the years, I've not only used my studio to record online courses, but also to record music, edit wedding videos, take product photos, record videos for my YouTube channel, and tons of other projects. Once you build your studio, you will have a new playground to create, build, and work on all sorts of projects. You don't have to buy everything all at once, but simply add things as you need them, and your studio will continue to improve over time. So now let's head into my studio and take a look at how I currently have my equipment set up. To create the slide presentations for my courses, I typically use Google Slides. I love to use Google Slides because no matter what computer you're using, it automatically saves your spot. To create and edit my videos, I use Magix Movie Edit Pro. I've been using this editing software for at least 6 or 7 years, and I love everything that it can do. This is the 2015 Plus version, so I probably need to update soon. Next, we have my microphone. I have no idea what brand this is, but it's been serving me well for over 10 years. I also purchased a pop filter for the microphone to reduce the popping and the hissing sounds while recording. Next, we have my favorite camera to use for talking heads. This is the Canon R800. Every single talking head video you've seen in this course was actually shot with this camera. When filming talking head videos, I love the flip screen so I can see exactly how everything looks on the screen. Next, we have these two really bright lights on either side of my desk. These are the Limo Studio LED desk lights that I use to light up my talking head videos. With the diffuser, I think these provide the perfect lighting. Next, I have another flip screen HD camera. This is just the $50 flip screen camera that I used before I upgraded to the Canon R800. I also have a set of standard studio LED lights. These are also by Limo Studio, and I love to have these to light up my background. I also added a little light shining on the backdrop itself to provide a little halo effect. The Limo Studio lighting kit has excellent bright lighting, and they also look pretty cool as well. Another camera that I like to use for various projects is the GoPro. I usually use this with a head cam when performing some type of demonstration. I also have a few props and a framed poster that I change for each project. To help provide a more natural lighting, and to prevent blindness, I also have some light diffusers to help dim the light. So that's a quick overview of my personal home studio. Let's take a second to recap my equipment. For my Screencast software, I'm using Quicktime on my MacBook laptop. The microphone I'm using is an unknown brand, but the one I've used for years on various projects. It's perfectly okay to use the equipment you already have, if it's good enough. I use multiple cameras for recording, depending on the type of video I'm filming. This includes the GoPro 4, the Canon R800 LCD screen camera, and a few other generic HD cameras that I use when first starting out. For my lighting, I have 2 Limo Studio LED lighting sets, and also a pair of Limo Studio LED desk lights for my talking head videos. For my editing software, I'm using Magix Movie Edit Pro. I currently have the 2015 version, but I'll likely upgrade soon. For my background, I'm using a simple gray backdrop, and I'm pretty sure it's bigger than 10 by 10. I also like to use props and branding in my videos. Typically, I'll have a framed poster, a branded shirt, and some other props as well. And this wasn't shown in the video, but I also have a teleprompter app on my mobile phone. You can download the app and simply type in your script and use a cell phone stand to read it while recording. So go ahead and gather all the equipment and software you'll need for filming. In the next section, we will begin outlining and creating your course. I'll see you in the next video.